How to enable notifications for the Signal app on your Android device. So first, go ahead and open settings on your phone. Then your screen should look something like this. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in apps. After you type in apps, tap on the first option that shows up. Then tap on Manage Apps, which is right below System App Settings. After tapping on Manage Apps, you'll again see a search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it and type in Signal. After you tap on the Signal app, scroll down until you see an option called Notifications, then tap on it, and from here you can simply turn on Show Notifications, and by following these simple steps you can enable notifications for the Signal app. So this is it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.